Today, I'll be showing you how to get the latest $30 free Forex trading capital that you can use to trade the Forex market and also get to keep the profits made from trading this bonus account. Now, before claiming this bonus or even placing a trade on this account, you have to complete identity verification and also follow some other processes to get funded with this free Forex trading capital. According to the broker, this offer is available in some countries, but there was no section or list that shows the countries that are eligible to claim this offer. So the only way to find out is by trying it yourself. And in this video, I'll show you all the steps to claim this bonus successfully. I'm also going to talk about the terms and conditions for trading on this account and also withdrawing from this account. Once you claim this bonus and fulfill the rules and regulations attached to this account, you would be able to withdraw from it without any complications. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome to Smart Hustle Media. On this channel, I make thorough research for the best free Forex and crypto trading bonuses to claim and trade for free without any fear of losing our own capital in the Forex market, and also be able to withdraw from it without any complications. So if you're interested in trading the Forex market for free with no deposit bonuses and also be able to withdraw unlimited amounts of profits made from these accounts, then hit that subscribe button and activate the bell icon to receive the latest updates from me on this channel. Also hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video can get to a wider audience, including your mom, dad, and friends. And with all that said, guys, let's get started. The link to this broker will be on my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel using the link in the description box or pinned comments below. Once you're on this page, you can see that they're offering a $30 new bonus to new traders on their platform, and you can get it when you open an MT4 trading account with them. I want you to note that this offer is available in selected regions, and the bonus amount may vary. Now, the problem here is that this broker has not listed the countries that are eligible to claim this offer, and the only way to find out is by trying it yourself. I'm going to show you the exact steps to claim this bonus, so make sure to pay close attention. To get started, click on the Open an Account button right here. Once you click on that button, a form should pop up just like this one. First of all, make sure that the MT4 option is selected. If it's not toggled automatically, you have to manually do so. The next step is to type in your full name into this field right here. Then you type in your email address on the second field below it. Make sure the country code detected right here is correct before typing your phone number into the box next to it. Your country of residence should also be detected automatically, but if it's not detected, you can click this box and a list of all countries would be displayed. You can now select your country from the list. Before clicking this Open an Account button, make sure to check this little box right here to agree to their terms and conditions. Then you click on the Open an Account button to proceed to the next step. After clicking the Open an Account button, you have to wait for some minutes or seconds for your account to be activated. Once it's activated, you should receive an email notification just like this one. This email contains your login ID, login password, and the server to connect to. You would also be redirected to their KYC verification tab. As you can see, for step 1, they say a clear photo will be taken to check against your ID card. So click on the next button, and on the next page, click on the Get Started button below. The next step is to grant this broker access to your camera by clicking on this Allow button right here. Then you follow the on-screen instructions to take a clear picture of yourself. Once that step is completed, you would be taken to step 2, and you're required to upload any of these documents right here as proof of identity. For me, I would be making use of my ID card. After selecting the type of document you want to use for verification, scroll down a little and you should see an instruction on how the document should be when taking a picture of it. After taking a clear picture of your identity card, scroll down a little and click this box, then select the photo on your gallery and upload to this broker. After uploading your identity card, scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on the Send button that is below this page. Now, you have to wait for a few minutes or seconds for this broker to process these information that you just submitted. Once everything is done successfully, you should get a notification on this page. As you can see, mine says, "We're processing your startup bonus application." And once I'm credited with this bonus, a confirmation email will be sent to me. Now, there are some other information we have to submit on our client dashboard to make sure that during the review of our documents, we don't get rejected or denied approval. So to get access to your account dashboard, click on the Login to the Client area button right here and give it a few seconds to redirect you to this page. This is exactly how your client dashboard would look like after registration. There are no much fancy stuff going on here, and if you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you would be able to view a summary of your account information. But this is not why we're here. When you scroll back to the top of this page, you can see we have a warning that says, "Your account has partial functionality," and this is because we've not added some personal information that was not included during the registration. So to add those information that are required, you have to head over to the personal information section. And you can easily navigate to that page by clicking this text right here. Once you're on this page, you have to scroll down a little and fill in the form below. It takes just 5 minutes to be completed. Once you've filled every detail right here, just click on the Save Changes button below this form. I've just completed mine, and like as I've said before, I will click on the Save button right here. Now, you will get a warning notification like this one, asking you to double check the data carefully in case there's a mistake in what you typed. As for me, I'm going to click the OK button because my details are correct. Once you click the OK button, you will be redirected to this next page. Now, when you scroll through this page, you can see the personal information that you just added. If there's need for you to edit these details, you can simply do so by clicking this button right here. When you continue scrolling down to the bottom of this page, there's a section that shows you the status of your identity verification, which is this one. As you can see, guys, mine says files are under review. So once it is approved, the $30 no deposit bonus will be credited to the newly created trading account. Once it is credited, you should receive an email notification from this broker. You should also get your login credentials on one of the emails that will be sent to you. As you can see, guys, this is my MT4 login credentials. Once you receive the bonus, you can log in and start trading with it. My documents have not yet been approved, so I've not yet been credited with this bonus. Anyways, let's talk about the terms and conditions for this bonus account. If you want me to share the customer support WhatsApp number with you, comment down below. The first term states that the bonus is only available once to a new client, for certain account types, and cannot be combined with other bonuses. The second terms state that your account must be fully verified, identity, photo with document, etc., in order to withdraw profits made using the bonus. The third terms state that the bonus itself is not directly withdrawable. Profits from trading with the bonus may become withdrawable once conditions are met. The fourth terms state that there is a required trading volume, lot size condition. For the no deposit bonus, you must trade a total volume of X times 25 Insta4X lots, where X equals total amount of bonus received, in USD. For euro-based accounts, a slightly different formula applies, X times 25 times 1.1 lots. The fifth terms state that the maximum leverage for accounts with this bonus is limited, for example 1 to 200 in some cases. The sixth terms state that the company reserves the right to cancel or modify the bonus program or withdrawal conditions at any time. The seventh terms state that, upon making a withdrawal request, the bonus must still be present in the account. The bonus must be on your account when your request is considered. The last terms state that once that volume is achieved, and you've met verification and other conditions, profits made may become withdrawable. So these are the terms and conditions for this bonus account. If you have any other questions or you want to message their support team directly, please let me know in the comments section. And that's how to claim this free no deposit bonus. But if you ever get confused or have any questions, drop a comment down below and I will do my best to reply. Also, comment down below the country you are watching from, and I will do my best to search for the best free bonuses specifically for your country. If you were not able to claim this free trading capital, maybe it got expired before you came across this video. Don't panic. I have a few but effective solutions to help solve this issue. The first solution is to click the playlist that will appear at this corner of the video. That way, you'll find other available options to claim and start your trading journey for completely free, and also be able to withdraw all your hard-earned profits made. You can also check out my channel using the link in the pinned comment to see if there are other active ones to claim and start trading for free. The second solution is to smash that subscribe button and activate the bell icon so that whenever I drop amazing videos like this one, you will be notified immediately. Please don't forget to also smash that like button, as it helps the YouTube algorithm to push this video to a wider audience, including your mom and dad. The third solution is to join my Telegram community using the link in the description box or pinned comment below. That way, you'll get updates that was not uploaded to this YouTube channel directly from me. You will also be able to chat with other members of the community whenever the group is open for questions. And with all that being said and done, guys, I wish you all a fruitful and successful week. See you all on my next video. Peace.